Imagine this. Two colleagues joined the same company on the same day with almost the same salary. 10 years later, one is still stressed about EMIs, promotions, and job security. The other quietly walks away from full-time work. No grand announcement, no lottery win, no viral startup. Just calm freedom. Same income. Very different outcomes. The question is, what did one person do silently that the other completely missed? Here's an uncomfortable truth most people don't like to hear. Salary is not the problem. How it's used is. If earning a paycheck automatically led to wealth, most employees would retire early. But history shows the opposite. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 silent rules, not loud hacks, not motivational slogans, that disciplined salaried people follow to quietly compress a 40-year working life into 25-30 years. If you watch till the end, you won't just learn what to do. You'll understand why these rules work, how to apply them without quitting your job, and how they can realistically move your retirement timeline forward by a full decade. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Let's dive. Rule 1. They see salary as a tool, not an identity. Most salaried people unknowingly attach their self-worth to their paycheck. Their confidence rises with promotions and collapses with job uncertainty. Early retirees quietly detach their identity from salary much earlier in life. They see salary as a temporary tool, not a permanent label. This single mental shift creates a massive advantage over time. When salary feels permanent, lifestyle expands automatically. Bigger houses, higher EMIs, frequent upgrades, and subtle financial commitments creep in. But people who retire early operate with a different internal assumption. This income may not last forever, not because they expect failure, but because history proves that no job is immune to disruption, automation, restructuring, or burnout. Ask yourself honestly, if your job disappeared tomorrow, would your lifestyle survive without stress? Early retirees build systems that answer yes years before others even think to ask the question. This rule alone silently moves retirement closer by years. If salary isn't the foundation of their freedom, then what is? The next rule reveals what they build alongside their job long before they need it. Rule 2. They build secondary income, while life is still comfortable. Most salaried people wait until pressure forces action, burnout, layoffs, or dissatisfaction. Early retirees move in the opposite direction. They start building secondary income streams while life is still stable, calm, and predictable. This timing advantage changes everything. With a steady paycheck covering expenses, they can experiment intelligently. They don't chase flashy businesses or overnight success. They quietly build cash-flowing assets, dividend-paying stocks, ETFs, consulting equity, digital assets, or skill-based income that scales over time. These income streams often start small, $300, $500, maybe $1,000 a month, but the psychological impact is enormous. The moment income arrives without trading hours for dollars, identity shifts. You stop feeling trapped. You stop tolerating nonsense at work. Decision-making improves because fear decreases. This mental freedom compounds just like money does. Rule 3. They measure wealth in time, not money. Most people define wealth by income numbers. Early retirees define wealth by time freedom. This is one of the most misunderstood but powerful shifts in thinking. Instead of asking, "How much do I earn?" they ask, "How many years of living expenses can my assets cover?" This question changes priorities instantly. Early retirees focus relentlessly on their expense-to-assets ratio. They understand that retirement isn't about reaching a magical number. It's about reaching a point where passive income and portfolio returns cover lifestyle costs. That can happen far earlier than traditional retirement age if expenses are controlled and assets compound efficiently. There's also a psychological advantage. When you measure wealth in time, market volatility becomes less scary. A portfolio drop doesn't feel like failure. It feels like a temporary fluctuation in long-term freedom. Rule 4. They automate investing before emotions. Get a vote. Willpower is overrated. Early retirees don't rely on discipline. They rely on systems. They automate investing so emotions never get a chance to interfere. The moment salary hits the account, money is automatically routed into index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, and dividend-paying assets. What's left is what they spend. This inversion is subtle but powerful. Most people invest whatever remains after spending. Early retirees spend whatever remains after investing. Why does this matter? Because emotions are terrible financial advisors. When money sits idle, the brain invents reasons to spend it. When investing happens automatically, temptation loses power. This creates consistency, and consistency beats intensity every time in wealth building. Ask yourself, if investing happened before you even saw the money, how different would your net worth look 5 or 10 years from now? And here's the open loop. Automation only works if you can tolerate something most people can't: boredom. The next rule explains why boredom is one of the most underrated wealth-building skills. Rule 5. They learn to stay bored while money compounds. Early retirees are not addicted to excitement. They understand a hard truth most people avoid. Boring decisions create extraordinary results. Long-term investing is boring. Holding index funds is boring. Reinvesting dividends is boring. Ignoring daily market noise is boring. But boredom allows compounding to work uninterrupted. Most people sabotage wealth because they crave stimulation, new purchases, new strategies, new risks. This emotional maturity gives them an edge during market downturns. While others panic sell, early retirees calmly continue investing. Volatility becomes opportunity, not fear. This behavior alone can add years of financial freedom without increasing income. The mistake most people make is chasing excitement in financial decisions. Early retirees chase endurance. They build portfolios designed to survive boredom, not thrill-seeking. Rule 6. They keep fixed costs uncomfortably low. Early retirees often look average for a long time, and that's intentional. They understand that fixed expenses are permanent enemies of freedom. A high EMI isn't just a payment. It's a contract that locks future time. Every fixed cost reduces flexibility and increases dependency on salary. Early retirees minimize fixed expenses aggressively, not because they hate comfort, but because they value optionality more. Most people optimize lifestyle for appearance. Early retirees optimize lifestyle for cash flow and portfolio growth. They choose housing, transportation, and recurring expenses that allow maximum capital to flow into assets like equity, ETFs, and long-term investments. This strategy accelerates early retirement dramatically. Lower fixed costs mean higher savings rates, faster compounding, lower stress, and quicker exit from mandatory work. It also reduces fear during job changes or market downturns. And here's the psychological twist. Living below your means builds confidence. You stop fearing job loss. You stop clinging to income. You start negotiating life from strength. Rule 7. They keep their financial plans quiet. Early retirees don't announce goals. They don't broadcast investments. They don't explain restraint. They practice strategic silence. Money attracts opinions. Opinions create doubt. Doubt leads to hesitation. Early retirees avoid this cycle by keeping plans private. They understand that social validation is expensive. When people know your income, they influence your spending. When people know your goals, they project their fears onto you. Silence protects focus and momentum. Most people talk about plans before results. Early retirees let results speak later. This silence also prevents lifestyle creep driven by comparison. You don't feel pressure to match peers when you're not competing publicly. Your financial decisions stay aligned with your long-term vision, not short-term approval. Rule 8. They optimize for after-tax growth, not just returns. Most salaried people focus on investment returns. Early retirees focus on after-tax returns. Taxes quietly erode wealth over decades. A slightly lower return with tax efficiency can outperform a higher return with constant tax leakage. Early retirees structure portfolios using tax-efficient investing strategies, long-term capital gains, retirement accounts, and diversified index funds. They don't trade excessively. They avoid short-term speculation. They let assets grow undisturbed. This allows compounding to work without friction. Most people underestimate how much taxes cost over a lifetime. Over 30 years, poor tax planning can destroy hundreds of thousands of dollars without any visible warning. Ask yourself, how much of your investment growth do you actually keep? Early retirees obsess over that answer. And now, the final mindset shift, the one that quietly determines whether you retire early or stay psychologically trapped even with money. Rule 9. They design life first, then design money. Early retirees don't chase money blindly. They design a life they want, and then build finances to support it. They ask questions most people avoid. Where do I want to live? How much freedom do I need? What does a meaningful day look like without work? These answers guide portfolio size, asset allocation, and risk tolerance. Most people accumulate money without direction. Early retirees accumulate freedom with intention. This clarity prevents endless accumulation without enjoyment. Money becomes a tool, not a scoreboard. Ask yourself, if money were solved tomorrow, how would your life change? Early retirees answer this early, then they quietly build toward it. Rule 10. They exit mentally years before they exit physically. One of the most powerful yet invisible rules early retirees follow is this. They stop depending emotionally on their job long before they quit it. They still perform well. They still meet expectations. They still act professionally. But internally, they are no longer trapped. They quietly build financial buffers, diversified portfolios, and passive income streams so that their survival is not tied to a single employer. Once this happens, their mindset shifts from, I need this job, to this job is optional. Once you are mentally free, even your current job becomes more enjoyable. You stop resenting work because it's no longer a cage. It becomes a tool. I know that success comes from consistent learning. If this video gave you new insights, like it, share it, and subscribe to continue building wealth with me. If you're curious about 8 money moves that silently make you rich, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.